Hello viewers, and thank you for watching my presentation on personal online privacy. My name is Nicole Robertson. First, I wanted to answer this question. Why did I pick this topic? Well, I'm a type 1 diabetic, and there is a huge diabetic appearance on Instagram. I have a private Instagram that only my friends follow, but I also have a public Instagram dedicated to my journey with type 1 diabetes. I have learned so much about this disease, and I have helped others on their own diabetic journey. However, through this course, I have started to think about what this public Instagram means for me and my online privacy. I have many followers, and I often post about the diabetic supplies I am using. I hope you learned something about personal online privacy as I did. We all take selfies. Some of us post them on our public social media accounts or on our private social media accounts. New research says that some companies are using the selfies you take where you look happy with a product like Starbucks or Nike or other companies. They're using those selfies for marketing purposes. Companies are basing their new campaigns for the selfies people post with their product. So how can we help prevent this from happening? We can protect our selfies and companies inappropriately using the selfies we take with a product with VNP, or Virtual Private Network. This is a typically paid-for service that keeps your web browsing secure and private over public Wi-Fi spots. VNP will protect your IP address and other data from your computer. Using VNP can actually make your computer speed faster while you remain anonymous on the internet. It is worth it to pay for a VNP, but there are free ones out there. Quality and price do vary in the VNP world. So you should do your own research to find a VNP program that best fits your needs. For example, there are specific VNP programs that may be best for Apple users. Listed on the screen are the best VNP services of 2019. ExpressVNP is the most popular VNP in the United States, and it protects multiple devices. Well, now that I've given you some scary information about posting your selfie, you may be wondering, do I stop posting? This decision is still up to you. What you post on the internet is on the internet forever. Most of us know this. However, you may not have known that some selfies that feature products are used by businesses for their marketing campaigns. Some people may be more upset about this than others, and that's okay. But regardless of your feelings about your selfie, you should be informed. If the abuse of your selfie and other issues of online privacy bother you, you should seriously look into a VNP. Having a private network protects your identity while you are on the internet. I know that I will be more conscious of what I post on my public diabetes Instagram. I didn't know that companies like Dexcom, Omnipod, and Animas, products that I post in my selfies on my Instagram, may be looked at a marketing meeting. With internet safety, it is best to be informed. If you still want to post selfies and you don't want to invest in a VNP, here are some other tips to protect your privacy on the internet. Don't open emails that look unusual, especially if they are related to your account's social media, banking, or otherwise. Update your computer's operating system. Don't give in to offers online if they demand you to work quickly or ask for personal information. Change your settings on social media. It's not good to overshare on social media. It allows criminals to gather information about you. Block cookies on your browser and delete your cookies regularly. Do not link accounts. For example, linking your Facebook account with your DoorDash account, like I do. Avoid public Wi-Fi networks and use a secure wireless connection when you're able to. Use strong passwords and don't reuse passwords from multiple accounts. If you would like to be even more informed, here are my references I used to learn about personal online privacy. Some changes I will make now are unlinking many of my accounts, using different passwords for my accounts, and I'm going to find a VNP that works for me. I hope you're going to make some changes too. Thank you so much for watching my presentation.